My sister held a dress in one hand and a knife to my heart in the other. "Oh my God, I was able to fit this dress just 2 months ago," Kim cried. As she showed me how the dress barely fit past her protruding thighs, I was shocked at how much weight my sister had gained in such a very short time. But this wasn't just about her not fitting the dress, or how unhealthy and bloated she looked and felt. It was much more severe than that. What Kim said next cut through me like a knife to my heart. My doctor said if I don't lose weight soon, I could have a heart attack. That's when I completely lost it. "I won't bury you like I buried Jack," I screamed at her. My sister's stark news hit a nerve with me and sent chills up my spine. As my shoulders tensed, I felt nauseous, because I couldn't bear the thought of losing my sister to obesity and a heart attack, the same way I lost my husband Jack just 2 years before. I rushed to the bathroom, and as I looked for an empty stall, memories of Jack's last days flooded my mind. How his health quickly deteriorated, the stubborn belly fat, the fatigue, his bad knee, the hypertension, and the addictive medications the doctor kept prescribing him, the pre-diabetic blood work that told him if you didn't do something soon, you may suffer an early death. And how no matter what he did and no matter how much we prayed to God to help him, he kept gaining weight. And Jack literally tried everything to lose weight: exhaustive cardio, juice cleanses, taking supplement after supplement, and a low-fat diet that I encouraged him to eat. The low-fat diet. Avoid eating too much fat was what my nutrition professors and the other so-called health experts all taught me was key to losing weight. And in turn, it was what I had taught my clients as the healthy way to live over the past 20 years. But I would soon find out I was dead wrong, because none of that worked for Jack. He ate low-fat, did the exercise, took the supplements and the medications the doctors prescribed him, and I watched in dread as he starved himself, yet put on pound after pound of stubborn fat. I remembered how hopeless he felt towards the end, how he had pretty much given up and lost all hope. And I couldn't help but think if I had done something differently, he would still be by my side today. I wondered, could I have tried harder? Could I have prayed more for him? And now, 2 years later, here I was, alone, weak floor of a dirty bathroom stall, thinking I would soon have to face the same tragic loss again. To lose yet another family member to obesity and the horrible conditions it causes. Conditions like hypothyroidism, high blood pressure, chronic joint pain, type 2 diabetes, high cholesterol, so on and so on. Conditions that may be your body's way of screaming at you, "Help!"
Attention! In the next few minutes, I will show you how you can finally destroy your belly fat. Are you still struggling with your belly fat? Are you looking to discover how a woman discovered how to melt 1 pound of belly fat per day? Do you know thousands of people have addressed their true cause of belly fat using a proven program? But how? Introducing Lean Belly Breakthrough, the #1 belly fat loss program. So, how can you start changing your body with Lean Belly Breakthrough? Simply click the link below in description to start immediately.